Hello everyone, welcome to my video. I'm gonna talk about my English journey and again. Anyway, 90 days ago when I started learning English, I knew nothing, trust me. But now I'm talking the different topics. Of course, when I was talking, I have a lot of mistake, but this is not a problem. I'm always working, writing, reading, speaking exercise, especially listening exercise. If you are making writing exercise 30 minutes and speaking exercise 1 hour, you should be maybe listening 5 hours. This is really important. Anyway, guys, if you want to start somewhere, you will be start today, not tomorrow. Trust me, guys. If you are start today, this is easy, not tomorrow. See you later, my friends. Take care.